Hello and welcome, Escambia County Public School teachers, to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to be going over flagged messages in focus. And maybe you've been wondering, how and why are messages flagged? Well, they can be automatically flagged or manually flagged. Automatic system flagging occurs when a word or phrase is recognized by Focus as inappropriate. You as the teacher have the ability to manually flag any message you deem inappropriate that wasn't caught by the system. Administrators and deans also have the same ability. So let's begin. When you're in your communication module, if a message has been flagged, it's going to look like this. So what we want to do is come over here to our red flag and click it. And we have the option to add a referral, view the message, or remove our flag. In this example, we want to go ahead and view this message so we can determine what we want to do next. When that message appears and we review it, then we're going to come back over to our flag and either add the referral or remove the flag. In this case, we're removing the flag because we don't feel that this message is inappropriate. If the message were inappropriate, you can add the referral straight from this screen. Now, we do have another video that goes over this in greater detail. On your portal page, I want to draw your attention to this alert. It does not tell you if a message has been flagged. Clicking that alert will bring you to your inbox where you'll have to choose your student and then go through the process. If you receive an email, it's going to tell you if a message has been flagged. It's also going to let you know that reader discretion is advised. If you have any questions about your processes or procedures, be sure to speak with your administration. They'll point you in the right direction. And that's flagged messages. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video. And check out our wide range of content on our YouTube channel. And fill out that content request form so we keep making videos that are just for you. Because that is a Byte of Tech.